Hey everybody, I'm in the Acorn booth and I know that you love Bernie and Shelley and you love all the wonderful things that they bring to the plate to make your quilting experience so much better. And yes, we have something new to talk about. So hi you guys.
Hi, nice
Hi.
to see you.
Hi, great to see you.
Loved your show.
Oh, thank you.
Loved your show. And
thank
it's
you.
because you solve our problems.
Thank you.
Well, at least one.
Solve Shelley's problem.
We solved my problem, right?
Yeah, so tell me about this new product. Or it's not new, but I didn't really understand it. And how did it even come about?
Well, I was in my studio quilting one day, and Bernie comes and stands in front of my table, and he says, "What would you think if I was to create the best fabric treatment ever?" And I looked at him and I said, "Impress me."
And
I used the word create lightly because actually I had failed at another formula. I was working on something completely different.
Okay.
And this light came on and I realized, wow, this is going to really work well to treat fabrics.
okay, well let's take a look at what it is. Let's show
Yeah, you
everybody so
bet.
they can grasp it. And then I want to have your demo that you're wowing everybody about at market.
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is what we're talking about, and it's called Easy Press Fabric Treatment.
Right.
Okay.
Now you're familiar with our pressing pen.
Yes.
And this now is exactly also what's in the pressing pen. So we're using this in both situations. One, to press those seams so nice and
So they
flat.
get,
Yep.
yeah.
And now we're also using this to treat our fabric. And maybe I can explain what I mean by that.
Yeah, because I really haven't had that concept before, treating my fabric.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
you
Spot
wash
treatment.
it or you don't wash it, and you cut it, right?
Absolutely.
But wait, there's more, you guys. You're going to love this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to take 3 samples. I'm going to show you 3 samples of fabric here. Now these are not washed. Shelley is a fabric washer. She
I
believes-
wash and dry my
wash and
fabric
dry and
because
treat.
I don't want any surprises when I put a red fabric in my quilt and wash the quilt. I want to know that rogue red dye is going to stay in the fabric and not dry.
And I choose to live dangerously. So we will not be cellmates down the road.
Oh, we can still be cellmates.
Okay.
Okay, so here's 3 samples, and
All right.
this first sample is just off the bolt. These are not washed. None of these are washed, so you can feel it. It's just nothing special about that. But
It's
you can see the amount of
fraying.
fraying.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
Okay.
So I have 2 more samples.
All right.
This one we've treated lightly with our product.
A
That
little
you can see a little less fraying.
Nice.
Doesn't that feel good?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
So
Okay.
this formula actually strengthens these fibers, gives it some stain resistance, especially with oils. The fabric stretches less.
Okay.
so-
Whoa. What do you mean, stain resistant?
Well, Shelley had
Okay,
a...
I'll tell you a story about
Okay.
that. So this quilt here, I had at a show, and this is my red berry quilt.
Okay.
And-
I'm scooting over. Yeah.
Okay. And what happened is I learned that I needed to cover my quilt with vinyl because somebody had come by and they wiped chocolate on
That
the...
happened to me at this market.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
it puts a smile on your face right
Oh,
now.
I was happy.
Yeah.
So I went to the restroom and I got a paper towel damp, and with a lot of hope in my heart, I rubbed on the spot where the chocolate was, and lo and behold, it came out.
Just
I
came
could
right
not
out.
believe it. And that is when the discovery occurred that, okay,
Okay, we're treating
my
the fabric.
fabrics are-
Beautiful.
are,
Let me back
are
up.
protected.
Okay. Okay. So, right there, number 1. Awesome. Okay.
Cutting becomes more accurate because your fabric doesn't stretch.
Okay.
Another great feature of this. Now I'll give you another sample. This one is more heavily treated, and you can see it frays even less.
Okay. I don't even know if people could hear this, but you can. It's. Yeah. Awesome. Right.
So
Okay.
multiple applications, or as many applications as you want to get the desired body in the fabric. So for those that don't wash, like as you said, living dangerously, fabrics shrink at different rates. So you're
Yes, they
using
do.
different fabrics in your quilt. You've never washed your fabrics, now you wash your quilt. This piece shrinks up like this piece just a little bit.
Okay.
Quilt goes a little wonky. Unwashed fabrics, treated, are pre-shrunk.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I like. I worry about the running, not the shrinking, and I need to think about that, don't I?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you use this stuff?
We apply this in a continuous mist bottle.
Let me grab this here. Okay, so that's what this whole bit's about. Okay, yeah?
So I'll tell you, would you like me to do that?
Yeah, that'd be great.
One thing you may notice, you may or may not notice, this fabric, Shelley covers her woolly mats, which are wonderful, with a piece of fabric, a light colored fabric.
So it stays fresh.
I like that, and also because I've been quilting for nearly 30 years, I'm so used to my my pressing surface having cotton on it, and so my fingers and my fabric, for me, it just works better if there's a little layer of cotton on there because I'm used to it.
Okay.
So why I was going there was that this mat has been through countless shows and countless classes.
Sure.
And it's not dark brown. Even though we've got overspray and overspray and overspray. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
And I was going to change this mat before this because we've used it so much.
Well, yeah, you want
but-
to look fresh. And clean
Yeah,
and all
You
that.
can tell it's been used, but
Yeah.
it's not brown.
but it's not caramelized.
Okay.
So here's our mister.
Caramelized, that's
Yeah.
great.
So here's our mister. So it's just a light mist. I'm gonna let it, I want this in the fibers. So I'm not gonna put the iron on it and boil it off. I want it right in the fibers. As a matter of fact, I might even choose to turn it upside down. So we're
Okay.
gonna give this a little extra body, this end of it. And now I just dry it. This is
Wow.
right in the fibers.
And you can see that Bernie's just setting the iron on the fabric because it's damp with product, and so he doesn't want to move the iron on the
right.
surface because it'll stretch the fibers.
I'll
so
use a quilting term where I won't smush it.
you won't smush it. That's right.
Okay. So I'll let this cool down, and I'll let you feel this
I would
because
love
this will
to.
now have even more body in it. There we go. As it
We
cools.
don't want to burn you.
So at that
Holy
light
smokes.
Doesn't it feel nice?
Yes. You've done it again, Bernie. Shelley, you've done
Happy
it again.
accident.
I know. You gave him a challenge and he
So,
met it.
I love working with my fabrics like this. They
behave.
They behave,
Absolutely.
and it makes cutting so much more accurate for me because my fabric's not fraying, and it just makes everything easier for me.
So I want to recap something here. You said this is what's in the pen that you use. Can I refill the pen with this stuff?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so I can buy it by itself,
Yep.
or I can, if I want one of these continuous misters, I can buy it like this.
There's a lot. We don't actually sell the mister by itself, but we sell this. We call it
Right.
a combi pack.
Right. Okay, I can't wait to see what's next. You keep
All right.
bringing it on, you two.
Oh, we might have some interesting stuff for next year.
Nice.